This is a Fritz Dyck Sam cart. This is a three-wheel cart. It weighs about 65 pounds. This is what it looks like from behind. As you can see, it has a platform for each foot and room to pedal if you want in between. Steers like a bike. And the brakes, one brake controls each wheel. And this is the dirt brake. Over here, this is the Tom model, also made by Fritz Dyck. This is a four-wheel cart. This one weighs about 145 pounds without any added weight. Has a bumper on the front. It has suspension on the front and the rear. I don't know if you can see those rubber plugs there. There's one on each side. Same thing in the back. See that piece of rubber suspension. This is the cart from behind, looking very similar to the other cart. You stand there on those two platforms. There is room to pedal if you would need to. That is the dirt brake, which is put down with a lever, holds the team if you're stopped. This cart comes with disc brakes or hydraulic brakes. It can also be purchased with drum brakes. The Sam cart only comes with drum brakes. That lever mechanism and the pedal are actually that controls the brakes on the front wheels. You can't control this front wheel separately, but you can brake them together. Look at the steering setup. It's very nice steering on this cart. It does have a seat, and with a cushion it's pretty comfortable to sit in. Can also put a dog bag in there. And there's the two carts together, and that's about it.